MIMS is our Mainfreight inventory management system. We see that as being our system that is actually the heart of the operation. What it's responsible for is receiving orders from our customers.
So when the orders are received, then instructions are issued to their team to go and pick the goods. They've got different processes in place for how they can pick these goods most efficiently, because that's the real cost in a warehouse, is how long it takes and how many people it takes.
Because MIMS knows where all of our customers' products are within the warehouse, we determine that through these location labels over here. Now, these location labels are considered as coordinates. Now, when our customers order multiple products, MIMS understands those coordinates and we actually pick in the most efficient manner throughout the warehouse. So Mainfreight currently receives its orders from its customers through EDI. Now, when we receive those orders, we either send the order off to pick through a handheld device, or we use these voice terminals here. Now, with these voice terminals, MIMS creates a data file. That data file is sent through the voice in a way in which it can understand.
Voices make quite a big difference for Mainfreight in some of their warehouses. It's a little bit like when they first started using mobile many years ago. Instead of walking around with bits of paper, they had an electronic device. And it tells them where to go and what to do and to scan it. But the problem with the mobile devices, they've got to use one hand to do that, and they have to wait till they've scanned something and then move on to the next thing. Whereas with voice, which is commands are issued electronically through the system, translated into dialogue.
So based on that, it actually sends us to a location. It tells us to pick products from that location, how much to pick, and if we need additional information about that product, then we're able to ask the system that and it can tell us the exacts about that product. This is our cool store. It's about 3 degrees in here at the moment and freezing. Now, we use voice in this facility. If we didn't use voice and used a handheld device, it would fog up. We'll probably still have to use paper. Also, the best thing is that it keeps one of his ears warm.
Accuracy is critical in the system. If it's not, then goods can expire, wasting money. And of course, they need an accurate stock on hand balance. When orders come in, if they can't be fulfilled, then there are problems all the way down the supply chain. So it's critical that the numbers are correct all the time.